Hey everyone, so here's the app called Copper Kids and Teen Banking. So let's just install it. So you see how to install it on iPhone and see how it works. It's the only banking app that truly teaches teens and kids about money, setting them up for future financial success. They will gain vital financial experience as they bank, save, and invest their money all in a safe learning environment with financial literacy moments built in. And parents get full visibility over it with real-time monitoring alerts. More financially successful kids and less stressed parents is their goal. So there is more than 1 million users already, so you can see pretty decent ratings, actually pretty high ratings, and in the top 100 apps in finance in the US App Store. So I just like thinking through how to show it to you guys. So then here you can just select, are you a teen or are you a parent? Control over your own purchases, your very own debit card to buy, and then you can also start investing. Create your account, invite your parent guardian, get your Copper card. So here you just need to write your phone number. It's only available in US, by the way. All right, so seems they are not supporting like additional numbers, but it's also not available anywhere in Europe or stuff like that. So yeah, you just need to have US number and then create an account. Otherwise, you can, if you are a parent, clear visibility to your teen's account, easily see your teen spending and saving habits. And then again, you just create your account. Fortunately, it's only possible to create with your account with phone number. It's not possible to use Apple ID or something like that. How do I create an account? In order for your account to become active, your parent will need to successfully create their account first. If you haven't invited a parent yet, you can do so by visiting your Copper app settings and selecting My Family option. They should see an open a bank account option on the home screen of their Copper app. They will need to select that option to finish creating their account. So that's an idea. So something like that. Hope that's helpful.